Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for any UI designer looking to streamline their workflow and enhance their creative output: the significance of UI kits. As the demand for intuitive and visually engaging user interfaces rises, having a robust toolkit is more important than ever. That's where Figma steps in, a platform that has revolutionized the world of UI design with its versatility and collaborative features. Figma is not just popular, it's a game changer, making design more accessible and efficient. Today, we'll explore the top 10 free UI kits available on Figma that you can start using right now to transform your design process. So let's get into it. Kicking off our list is the Google Material Design UI Kit. This kit is based on Google's own design principles, which prioritize simplicity, clarity, and user accessibility. It's packed with a wide variety of components like buttons, sliders, and checkboxes, all designed to give you that sleek, modern look Google is known for. What makes this kit a must-have is its versatility across different platforms, making it ideal for both newbies and seasoned designers. Whether you're designing for mobile or web, this kit can serve as your foundation, ensuring consistency and beauty across your products. Moreover, the integration with Figma allows for seamless collaboration, so your team can work together effortlessly, updating and sharing progress in real time. If you're looking to adopt a proven design philosophy, the Google Material Design UI Kit is your go-to starting point. Next up is the iOS Design Kit. This kit is a treasure trove for anyone looking to develop apps specifically for the Apple ecosystem. It includes a comprehensive set of elements meticulously designed to match the iOS interface down to the last pixel. This attention to detail ensures that your apps feel native to the platform, providing a seamless user experience. The iOS Design Kit in Figma helps you visualize and prototype your app ideas quickly, which is crucial in today's fast-paced development cycles. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about creating functional, easy-to-navigate apps that meet the high standards of iOS users. By using this UI kit, you're not only saving time, but also aligning your designs with the expectations of millions of users worldwide who are familiar with the iOS look and feel. For web designers, particularly those who prioritize responsiveness and mobile-first design, the Bootstrap UI kit is indispensable. This kit brings the power of Bootstrap, one of the most popular front-end frameworks, directly into Figma. It's designed to help you create websites that look great on any device, from phones to desktops. The components are versatile and customizable, allowing you to tweak them to fit your specific vision. Plus, with Bootstrap's grid system included in the kit, laying out your designs becomes a breeze. This kit is perfect for designers looking to create professional and responsive websites without getting bogged down in the intricacies of coding. It's all about efficiency and adaptability, two key elements that Bootstrap brings to the table in the realm of web design. We've covered some incredible tools today, each designed to boost your efficiency and creativity as a UI designer. From mobile and web design to specific niches like e-commerce and social media, these Figma UI kits are here to help you deliver top-notch designs with less effort. I encourage you to try out these UI kits. They're not just tools, but stepping stones to refining your design workflow and ultimately creating better user experiences. Turn those design ideas into reality, and let these UI kits be your guide. Thanks for watching, and let us know your feedback in the comments. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to keep up with our newest videos.